How to become a programmer. 5 ways to master programming logic easily. Mastering programming logic is fundamental to becoming a proficient programmer. It is the backbone of solving problems, writing efficient code, and building software that performs well. If you're looking to develop strong programming logic, here are 5 essential ways to get there. Start with the basics of programming languages before you can master logic. You need to understand the syntax and basic structure of at least one programming language. Start with beginner-friendly languages like Python or JavaScript. These languages have simple syntax and a wealth of resources for learners. Tips to master basics. Take online courses or follow tutorials that teach fundamental concepts like variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Practice writing simple programs such as calculators, number guessers, or to-do list apps. Work through beginner exercises on coding platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp to reinforce your understanding. Practice problem solving with algorithms. Programming logic is heavily based on how well you can solve problems. Understanding algorithms helps you break down complex problems into manageable steps. Start with basic algorithms and gradually move to more advanced ones. Steps to improve problem solving. Practice common algorithms like searching and sorting, e.g., binary search, bubble sort. Use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeSignal to solve problems with varying levels of difficulty. Analyze the solutions and identify multiple ways to achieve the same result. Understand data structures. Data structures are the building blocks of efficient programming. Mastering them helps you manage and manipulate data effectively, which is crucial for programming logic. Key data structures to learn. Arrays and lists. Understand how to store and access data efficiently. Stacks and queues. These are essential for problems involving sequential processing. Trees and graphs. Learn to navigate and represent hierarchical data. Hash tables. Master these for quick data retrieval. Resources to learn data structures. Read books like Data Structures and Algorithms Made Easy by Narasimha Kurmunchi. Watch video series on data structures from channels like CS50 or the Net Ninja. Build real-world projects. Nothing improves programming logic like practical experience. Building projects forces you to apply what you've learned and encounter challenges that require logical thinking. Project ideas to strengthen logic. Create a web scraper that collects data from a website. Develop a simple game like tic-tac-toe or a maze solver. Build a budgeting app that tracks expenses and generates reports. Why projects work? They teach you to debug, optimize code, and handle real-world issues. You learn to integrate multiple concepts such as algorithms, data structures, and libraries. Engage in pair programming and code reviews. Collaborating with others is an excellent way to develop programming logic. Pair programming allows you to see how other programmers think and approach problems. Code reviews expose you to alternative solutions and best practices. How to get started? Join coding communities and forums like Stack Overflow, GitHub, or Reddit's r/learn programming. Participate in coding meetups or hackathons where you can work on projects with others. Engage in peer reviews and contribute to open source projects to learn from experienced developers. Conclusion. Mastering programming logic requires consistent practice, learning from mistakes, and exposure to a variety of problems and solutions. By understanding the basics, practicing algorithms, learning data structures, building real-world projects, and collaborating with others, you'll develop the logical mindset needed to become a skilled programmer. Start small, stay persistent, and you'll see progress over time.